Okay, on this video today, I'm going to go over some basics about the table saw. It has a fence, it has a guard, you have two other dials you have to worry about. One sets your angle of your saw blade. Usually that's going to be set at 90 degrees. And the other dial is on the front, and that sets the height of your saw blade. You always want to set your height of your saw blade to where it just barely is above the top of your part. If not, you'll actually be cutting a slot in your part and you won't cut your material all the way off. Always, always, always make sure your guard's in place. Never run the saw without the guard in place. Your fence pretty much has a 30-inch wide cut maximum. Today we're going to cut 2 1/4, but if I push this all the way close to the guard, the maximum is about 3/4. So that's as thin as we can cut using this table saw. But like today, I'm going to cut 2 1/4 off this particular piece of wood. You can only use wood on this table saw. You cannot use aluminum, you cannot use brass. This is only a 1 horsepower motor. It does not have the horses to cut through the recycled metals. Also, make sure you use a push stick. Never use your hands to push between the saw blade and the fence. That saw blade will cut your fingers off. So always use a push stick. You can make one out of wood if you can't find the one we have around here. The last little thing is the on and off switch. It has a big off switch and a small on switch. That's just for safety in case something does happen. So just position your work up against your fence, turn on using the green button, and just push evenly with your hand and the push stick. When you're done, turn off your saw blade. It will spin down slowly. And that's how you saw a piece of wood using this table saw and the fence.